Students, open your book Vistas on the page number 4 to see the remaining paragraph of the lesson, the third level. So the narrator thought that he has reached on third level. After reaching there, he saw there were brass spittoons on the floor. He noted that on the ground, floor means ground, there were spittoons, containers for spitting. Spittoons. Spittoons are the container for spitting, and they were made of brass. Brass is a variety of metal of alloys color, golden color. And across the station, a glint of light caught my eye. And across the station, and opposite to the station, a glint of light. There was a twinkling of light. Glint means unsteady light. Caught my eye. He was attracted, means narrator was attracted towards the light that was, how was the light? Glint, unsteady. A man was pulling a gold watch from his vest pocket. He saw that there was a man, and that man was pulling a gold watch from his vest pocket. He was keeping out one of the watch that was made of gold from his vest pocket. Vest pocket is the pocket near the chest. So from that pocket he was keeping out one of the watch that was made of gold, and that is why there was shining glint that attracted the narrator. He snapped open the cover. He broke open the cover of the watch, glanced at his watch and frowned. He glanced towards what? Towards the watch. And then what happened? He frowned, and then he made angry expression. Frown. Yes, frown is angry expression. Usually people lift their eyebrow in showing anger. He wore a derby hat. That man who kept out his watch from his vest pocket, wore a derby hat. Derby hat? A hat like the bowlers. A bowler hat. A black 4-button suit with tiny lapels. He wore black colored suit, and in that suit there were 4 buttons. 4-button suit he wore with tiny lapels, and lapels were small. Lapels are the part of the coat that are folded near the lap, between lap and chest. And he had a big black handlebar moustache. And how were his moustache? His moustache were black colored and big. Then I looked around and saw that everyone in the station was dressed like 1890 something. Then I looked around. Then he saw in the surrounding. Who did see in the surrounding? The narrator. The narrator saw in the surrounding and saw that everyone in the station was dressed like 1890 something. The people who were present on the station, they were looking like the people of 1890. I never saw so many birds, sideburns, and fancy moustaches in my life. Earlier in his life, he had not seen so many birds. People had the birds on his face. Birds, as hair on his face. Sideburns, and their cheeks of those people were sunburned, and fancy moustaches in my life. They had fancy moustaches, and he had not seen such a people in his life. A woman walked in through the train gate. One of the women walked in through the train gate. He walked out from the gate of the train. She wore a dress with leg of mutton sleeves. She wore a dress. She was in a dress, and on that dress the sleeves were, yes, at the wrist they were very thin, and at the joint they were very white. Means the cloth, the fabric was gathered where? At the top portion of that dress. And skirts to the top of her high buttoned shoes. And they wore skirts, and the skirts were so long that they were reaching to the shoes, long shoes. Back of her, out on the tracks, I caught a glimpse of a locomotive. Back of her means back to that lady, out on the tracks, out of the track means railway line. I caught a glimpse of a locomotive. He saw a glimpse of engine. Engine means, locomotive means rail engine. A very small carrier and eaves locomotive. It was a small locomotive, it was a small engine, and it was of which company? Carrier and eaves, with a funnel shaped stack, and the chimney was to the shape of funnel. What was the shape of, like the shape of funnel? The chimney of that engine locomotive was like funnel. And then I knew, and then the narrator knew. To make sure, I walked over to a newsboy and glanced at the stack of paper at his feet. For certainty, to make himself sure, I walked over to a newsboy. He reached to one of the newspaper hawker and glanced at the stack of papers at his feet, and he saw towards the collection of papers that was near the feet of that newsboy. It was the World, and the name of that paper was the World. What was the name of that newspaper? Yes, name of that newspaper was the World, and the World has not been published for years, and that newspaper was not being published for many years. The lead story said something about President Cleveland. The lead story, the main story, lead story means main story, said, what was the main story? Something about President Cleveland. There was something mentioned in the main story, in the headlines, about what? About President Cleveland. In those days, the President of USA was Cleveland. I had found that front page since in the public library files, and it was printed June 11, 1894. I had found that front page. He found the main page since in the public library files when he visited to the public library, and he saw the front page in the files of that public library, and it was printed June 11, 1894, and that newspaper was printed on which date? On June 11 in the year 1894. I turned towards the ticket windows. Now he turned towards the windows of the ticket counter, knowing that here on the third level at that center. Knowing that here, he knew that here at that third level at the Grand Central, he was at the third level of the Grand Central. I could buy tickets that would take Louisa and me anywhere in the United States we wanted to go. I could buy tickets. From that counter, he could buy any ticket that would take Louisa and me anywhere in the United States. So, buying the ticket, he could go anywhere in whole of the USA. Not only he, with his wife Louisa also. So I could buy ticket that would take Louisa and me anywhere in the United States we wanted to go. Wherever they wanted to go, they could buy ticket from that counter of the third level, and they could go anywhere in the states, in the country USA. In the year 1894, in which year? In the year 1894. And I wanted 2 tickets to Galesburg, Illinois. He wanted to buy 2 tickets to go to Galesburg in Illinois. Have you ever been there? Have you visited there? Where? Galesburg, Illinois. It is a wonderful town still. Still till then it was one of the wonderful town. Which was wonderful town? Galesburg. With big old frame houses. There were huge old frame houses, huge lawns. There were big lawns of those houses and tremendous trees and huge trees whose branches meet overhead and roof the streets. So in those lawns there were huge trees and branches of those huge trees were hanging overhead and they were like the roof of the streets. And in 1894, summer evenings were twice as long and people sat out on their lawns. And in 1894, in the year 1894, summer evenings were twice as long. Evenings of the summer were very long and people sat out on their lawns and people used to sit in their lawns out of their houses. The men smoking cigars and men used to smoke cigars. You know cigars? Cigars are the bigger size of cigarette and talking quietly and they talked silently, means without making much noise. The women waving palm leaf fans and women of the houses used to move the fans that were made of the dry palm leaf with the fireflies all around and in the surrounding there were glowworms. What were present in the surrounding? Glowworms were present in the surrounding in a peaceful world, in the world that was full of peace. To be back there with the First World War still 20 years off. To be back there, to return there with the First World War still 20 years off. Still, the First World War was away to how many years? 20 years. Means after 20 years, First World War started. And World War Second over 40 years in the future. And the World War Second would start after 40 years. After which year? After 1894. I wanted 2 tickets for that. And he wanted 2 tickets for Galesburg. One for himself and another for his wife, Elijah. So this I'll discuss remaining paragraphs in the next video. Thank you.